Did you get it? Well, that was a message sent using Morse codes. Hi everyone, welcome back to another fun session of Introduction to Cryptography. Today we learn about Morse codes. So the story goes, Samuel Morse was away from his wife and got a letter saying she was very sick. So he immediately went for home, but obviously it took him some time, and by the time he reached there, his wife was already dead and was buried. Sad, right? After that, Samuel Morse became dead set on finding out a better way to communicate, and that is when he invented Morse codes. Are you excited to learn Morse codes? Well, I am. So let's get DIY. Why? Because I like it, and you like it too. Let's send the messages using Morse code, which represents each letter as a combination of dots and dashes.
We'll be performing Morse code using a flashlight. But first, let's switch off our lights. The length of one dot is 1 unit, or you can say 1 second. Dot 1. Length of dash is 3 seconds, or 3 units. Dash 1, 2, 3. The space is shown by not flashing the light. The space between parts, that is dashes and dots of the same letter, is 1 unit or 1 second. The space between letters is 3 units or 3 seconds. And the space between words is 7 units or 7 seconds. Now let's switch on the lights. For example, let's say we need to represent S, O and S. That means it looks like this. S means dot 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 dot. O means dash 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 dash. S means dot 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 dot. Now let's use our flashlight and create a message. Switch off the lights. So to represent S, we'll do dot dot dot, and the space between each dot will be 1 second. So we are going to represent S now. Dot dot dot. Now a pause of 3 seconds because our letter S has been completed. Now we'll go to letter O. Dash dash dash, which means 3 seconds for light, 1 second off. Dash dash dash. Now again 3 second pause because O letter has been completed. Now we'll say S, which is dot 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 dot. Now, a forever pause or not showing the flashlight means our message SOS has been completed. So we have shown the message SOS using our flashlight and the Morse codes. Now figure out this message. Lights off. Can you figure out the message?
If you did, well, I can probably say that you can go back to the beginning of this video and figure out the message I said. And even if you did not figure this out, well, again, go back to the start of this video and relearn. I hope you enjoyed this fun activity. If you did, do give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next fun session of Introduction to Cryptography. Till then, bye bye.